automotive technology program is designed to help students become proficient in all areas of the repair field. So we offer 2 associate's degrees and several certificate programs that help to prepare them for in-demand careers in auto tech.
Our goal of the program is to get the student some type of employment in which they will enjoy their career choice.
We focus a lot on the hands-on aspect, so teaching them mechanical skills, proper tool usage, how to apply that to the vehicle.
I actually got a scholarship through my high school to come here, and I always like working on cars, so I thought this was a perfect opportunity. I heard awesome things about all the professors and instructors too.
All of our faculty are Master ASE certified and come with decades of experience into the program. They are practitioners. Not only are they in the classroom teaching the theory, but they've actually done the work outside.
But how to communicate, how to talk with a customer, give them confidence, give them assurance, give them the sense that you're the credible authority that deserves to work on their car.
We operate a live shop where students actually get the opportunity to work on customer vehicles. It really hits at the problem-based learning, the hands-on real-world experience that the industry expects.
We get a college degree through this program, like an actual associate's, and we work on cars. Like we have live work, it's customer work, it's good preparation for the career.
Most of our students who get a 2-year degree are going to work in the repair part of this field. Some of them work in parts stores.
Waubonsee definitely prepares you for a career, and they've got partnerships with so many different shops in the area of people that they've known for being in the trades for so long that it prepares you to work with anybody in the area and be successful at it.
We have a lot of our students going down to SIU. We have a capstone program where if they complete their degree here, they can move in as a junior.
But I heard a lot about the Waubonsee program and how they had a lot of people transferring to SIU, which I plan to do.
If our students end up with a 4-year degree, we do a 2+2 program through SIU. And those students, I think we have 14 of them are teachers now. We have students that work for the manufacturers in 14 different states. So with the 4-year degree, it opens a lot more opportunities for our students.
So if you're looking to learn, like, this is a place.